Hi, my name is Moni and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I share videos on how you can have a beautiful and flawless skin using the things you can find around you. This video is a continuation of my last video and it's for people that have severe kind of pimples and acne. I've not tried this out yet, but I read about it and I've recommended it to a friend and she has a positive result about it. So please, before we continue the video, please note that I'm not a skin doctor, I'm not a skin therapist, I'm not a dermatologist, neither did I study anything that pertains to the skin. All the things I share on my channel are based on research and reviews over the years. So please, before you use anything shared on this channel, please make sure you do your research and your findings. Thank you. So for people that have severe kind of pimples and acne, if you want to get rid of it fast, you need what we call Retin A. You can put this name on Google and search for it. We need Retin A. The name I've cleaned off. I had to collect this empty cream container from my friend. I'm going to write out the name somewhere on this screen. It's also for people that want to have a smooth face. You notice that at times you might have a smooth looking face, but when you zoom in or go close to a mirror, you find out that your face is not totally smooth. So if you would like to have a very smooth face, this is what you need. But most importantly, it's for people that have big pimples like boil, severe kind of acne. You can try using this. But before you use it, I think it has side effects. Please read about the side effects. It causes redness of the eye and it's very harsh. So before you use it, after doing your night routine, it's preferably you use it at night. So after you do your night skincare routine, apply your moisturizer. Make sure the moisturizer you are using is a heavy kind of moisturizer. Apply it on your face and use a tiny bit. You just need a tiny quantity. You need a tiny quantity. Just put a tiny quantity and apply it evenly on your face. And you shouldn't use it every day. I think you can use it every other day, every 2 days or twice in a week. So if you'll be trying this out, please let me know in the comment section, and if you know about this cream, please also let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching my videos. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to leave a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.